Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Builder Pro. This control scheme is designed to make building in Fortnite incredibly fast and intuitive. By enabling Builder Pro in your game settings, you'll find that each building piece, like walls, floors, stairs, and roofs, is assigned to its own dedicated button on your controller. This setup eliminates the need to cycle through building pieces, allowing you to construct complex structures with remarkable speed and precision, giving you a significant advantage in any match. With Builder Pro, rapid building becomes second nature. A key technique is the 90-degree build, where you quickly place a wall, then a ramp, then another wall, and another ramp, all while turning. This allows you to gain high ground very quickly, often in just a few seconds. You can also instantly place walls and ramps together to create protective boxes or push forward aggressively. Consistent practice will help you develop the muscle memory needed to execute these builds without even thinking, making you a formidable builder. With the pack active, you will immediately notice visual changes to your armor. When your armor has full durability, it will typically appear vibrant and pristine, showing no signs of wear. As you take damage or use your tools, the armor's visual state will gradually degrade. This might manifest as cracks, faded colors, or missing segments on the armor's texture, providing a clear visual cue of its remaining strength. This visual feedback is incredibly helpful. To truly master Builder Pro, consistent practice is essential. Spend dedicated time in creative mode, focusing on fundamental building patterns like one-by-one towers, ramp rushes, and protective boxes. Work on your editing speed and precision, trying to make your edits as fluid as possible. Don't be afraid to experiment with different build orders and edit combinations. Regularly reviewing your gameplay can also highlight areas where you can improve. With dedication, you'll transform into an expert builder, dominating the battlefield with your construction prowess.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.